Hey everyone, it's Jessica here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super handy feature on Viber How to see all the devices connected to your account. If you've ever been curious about how many devices are linked to your Viber or want to ensure your account's security, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, grab your smartphone and open the Viber app. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, the process is pretty much the same. Once inside the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is your go-to place for customizing your Viber experience. Now, scroll down until you see the account option and tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. Inside the account settings, look for an option called Desktop and Tablets. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all the devices currently linked to your Viber account. If you notice a device that doesn't look familiar or is no longer in use, you can easily remove it. Simply tap the Deactivate button next to the device, and it will be disconnected from your account. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to keep your Viber account secure and manage connected devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Viber tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.